I really want to produce my own music, but I don't know where to start. Can you help me?
Absolutely. The first step is to discover what you like. Listen to a wide range of music to understand what resonates with you. This will help you identify the style and sound you want to create.
That sounds like a good idea. What's next?
The next step is to learn the building blocks of melody and harmony. Understanding melody and harmony is essential to creating memorable tracks. Start by learning basic music theory, such as scales and intervals. Experiment with different note sequences and chord progressions to find what sounds good to you.
Okay, I'll give that a try. What about rhythm?
Rhythm is the backbone of any track. Experiment with beats using drum machines or software. Try layering various rhythms to see how they interact and support the melody and harmony. Adding syncopation can make your music more interesting. Play around with different grooves and tempos to find the perfect rhythm for your track.
I've got the melody, harmony, and rhythm down. What's next?
The next step is to explore the process of writing song lyrics. Start by jotting down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Don't worry about structure initially, focus on getting your ideas down on paper. Once you have your ideas, start organizing them into verses, choruses, and bridges. Ensure that your lyrics match the mood and tone of your music. Experiment with different rhyme schemes and lyrical patterns to find what works best. Songwriting is a process of refining and editing, so review your lyrics and make adjustments to improve clarity and impact.
That's great advice. How do I put it all together?
Use a digital audio workstation, DAW. A DAW is essential for music production. It allows you to record, edit, and mix your music. Spend time learning your chosen DAW to maximize its potential. Start by recording the individual elements of your track, such as vocals, instruments, and beats. Ensure each recording is clean and high quality to make the mixing process easier. Mixing involves balancing all the elements of your track to ensure they sound cohesive. Use effects like EQ, reverb, and compression to enhance your mix. Mastering is the final step, where you polish your track to ensure it sounds great on all playback systems.
Thanks for all the advice. I'm excited to get started.
You're welcome. Remember, producing your own music is a fulfilling journey that allows you to express your creativity and share your unique sound with the world. By following these key instructions and best practices, you'll be well on your way to creating professional quality tracks. Join Grammy Award-winning musician Jacob Collier in his exclusive class and uncover your unique sound. Jacob will guide you through discovering what you like, understanding melody and harmony, playing with rhythm, and writing expressive song lyrics. Through hands-on lessons, you'll transform your musical understanding and gain new perspectives on the songs you love. Whether you're an experienced musician refining your practice or a complete beginner inspired by Jacob's approach, this class offers the tools to advance your creative journey. Click the link in the description to learn more.